Okay, welcome. Now we are going to discuss about homogeneous equations and how to solve them. Homogeneous equations are those equations which have same degree. Okay. Now, as you see here, you have to solve this. So, firstly, separate the variable if you do so, and if not, then apply a homogeneous. Check out if they are homogeneous or not. So, simplify it in the form of to get dy by dx or dx by dy form. Okay. So how can we do it? Take xy dy into right side and x square minus y square dx remains on left side, and if you take dx here in left side, x square minus y square upon xy. Okay. If you check it, you can see that the power of x is 2, power of y is 2, power of x and y comprises to be 2, 1 and 1, 2. Because it is monomial, single term, so its power becomes 1 and 1, 2. So if you check it, then the numerator and denominator has same degree, that is 2. So it is called as homogeneous equation. Now what you have to do to solve a homogeneous equation, you have to simply let y is equals to vx. V is another variable into which you have to transform it, and then at last you have to just put down the value of v there. So y is equals to vx. If you differentiate it, then it will form dy. Apply product rule here. V is constant. The differentiation of x is 1. You are differentiating with respect to x. So this will form dy by dx. The differentiation of x is 1. So v here. And the differentiation of v with respect to x is this. Okay. Now substitute this dy by dx as this into this equation. V plus x dv by dx is equals to, right side is also transformed. How? This is x square. In place of y square, we have to substitute this. Vx whole square. X in place of y, vx again. X square minus v square x square upon vx square. Take x square as common. What will it form? Minus vx square. X square is cancelled out with x square. Now again what you have to do? Just separate the variables. So it will form x dv by dx. Firstly take v on right hand side. 1 minus v square by v minus v. This implies x dv by dx is equals to, if you take LCM here, v 1 minus v square minus v square. So x dv by dx equals 1 minus 2v square upon v. Now separate the variable. On separating the variable, what you get is v upon 1 minus 2v square dv dx upon x. Now integrate both sides. Okay. If you take one for solving left hand side, 1 minus 2v square, if you put it as t, what will it form? Differentiate it. Minus 1 as the differentiation of 1 is 0. Minus 2 to the 4v dv with respect to v and dt. So dt becomes minus 4v dv, means v dv becomes minus dt by 4. Okay. So it will become dt by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is constant, so we take out. And in denominator it is t. So minus 1 by 4, 1 by t. The integration of 1 by t is log t. 1 by x is log x. If there are all the terms belong to log and log, so you have to take, for simplification, c in terms of log also. So now substitute values. Minus 1 by 4 log t is 1 minus 2v square. Log, as you know, in addition log will be multiplied up. So cx, 4 becomes there, 4 log cx, and now substitute the value 2, v is from here y by x, and you have to just simplify it. It is your differential equation. I hope you understand. Next, linear differential equations, we will discuss it in our next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.